tell me the process of this experiment, please?
Yes, of course. So let's get started.
Okay.
With the things. First of all, fill the container with water.
Okay. Then next?
Then get an object. Take an object and put it in the water.
Ayansh,
Yes.
does it objects float or sink?
Wait, I can observe this.
Okay.
So, this box and this pet motu, these things and this ball will float. And look at my toy. This elephant is a little bit sinking in the water.
Okay. And what about the spoon? And
the
the
spoon is sink.
sink.
And this
Stingray.
stingray toy is sink too, and this little dino is sinked.
Okay.
And this toy sea lion is floating in water.
Okay.
This red ball.
Ayansh, tell me why some objects are float and why some objects are sink?
I know. Let's. Some objects have less density than water. They could float.
Okay. And what about sink?
Yes. Some objects have greater density than water.
So
So
they can.
they can sink in water.
Oh, okay.
If you want to watch my videos, then subscribe please.
ओके. आणि अयांशच्या व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करा.
And share करा.